Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna jump straight right into the video. As you can see, there's Eve. But today I will be working with RIRIHAIR. This is the packaging. It came with a bow on it. And inside comes with RIRIHAIR and a thank you card. On the back, this is what it says. Information about the hair. This is RIRIHAIR. This is their Virgin Brazilian Hair Kinky Straight Lace Front Wig. It's 22 inches, natural color with 130 density with 4.5 parting space, size small, light brown lace, you know, yada yada yada. So this is all the info. Inside the box, it came with a brush and a wig cap. Super cute. Alright guys, so this is the wig straight out of the box. I just put it on my mannequin head. It is super thick. As you can see, it comes pre-plucked. I don't know if it'll, yeah. Okay, yeah. Comes pre-plucked. On the inside, it comes with a comb in the back and a removable adjustable strap, and then adjustable straps in the back. So we're just gonna jump right into the styling tutorial. What you're going to want to do is you're going to press out your edges. You're going to take a hot comb. I'm just gonna have these right here, and you want to get a smoothing, not a smoothing brush, some type of a barrel brush of some sort, and you're going to get one hair bow, and you want to go ahead and start smoothing the hair up into a half up, half down style. I'm going to use some Got to Be Glued hairspray to hold everything. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section from the back of the ponytail, spray some spritz on this part that I will wrap around the ponytail. This is the easy part, kinda. Like the easiest hairstyle, frontal hairstyle I think you can do. And you're gonna go to the back. And we're gonna get to the styling portion. I'm gonna take about this much with my straightener and press it out at the root. One at a time. Now I'm going to start curling. once you're done doing the back, this is what it should look like. Super cute, right? Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna move to the ponytail. And this, like I said, this is like the easiest hair tutorial ever. Get your curler. And I like to just press out the top just a little bit and then go into a curl. And just let it hold it for a quick second and then let it fall. What the finished style looks like. Super bouncy, as you can see. I love it. And now we're gonna get into our favorite part, the install. All right, guys, once you have done your styling of the wig on the mannequin, you want to go ahead and have your stocking cap on and ready. I'm not gonna mold it down, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then you're gonna take your wig. Y'all, look at the curls. And again, this is RIRIHAIR. To make sure I have everything. This is RIRIHAIR, and this is their 22-inch 22-inch Brazilian Kinky straight unit with 4.5-inch parting space. Now into the unit. So I'm gonna put the unit on, and again, like I said, it comes with a removable adjustable strap, and then a comb, 2 combs on the side, and 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps again. Alright, so right off the bat, this is what I'm looking like. I don't know, this is a lot of hair. But everything is blending nicely. This looks very, very natural. And I haven't done anything to it. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck it. It came to me with lightly bleached knots, and it did come pre-plucked. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a powder foundation and just put that on the inside of my lace. And I'm just gonna take this LA Colors with this powder right here. All right, guys, so this is what I'm looking like once I have put the wig on. And again, this is their 22-inch Brazilian Kinky straight and split right down the middle. This is how long it is on me with the curls. So it comes to like my boobs with the curls. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. And to get rid of this right here, just take some spritz and your brush and just smooth it all in. All right. Next thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut off my lace. And this is what we're looking like. I probably need to, okay, no. All right, now just to seal off my ends, I'm just gonna take some spritz and smooth everything up. Then gonna take my dryer. Take some powder. All right, I'm gonna go off camera and fix my ponytail real quick. So I'll be right back. All right. Once we've done that, you wanna go in. I have readjusted my ponytail and pulled out my baby hairs to finish the look. So I have readjusted my ponytail and finished everything, and this is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. Super quick and easy. Like I said, 15 minutes. You can achieve this with a straightener. This look with a straightener and, you know, regular hair ties and some hairspray. I did lay down my baby hairs off camera, but this is completely glueless. There's no glue, gel, or any type of adhesive. And again, this is RIRIHAIR. This is their 22-inch Brazilian Kinky straight unit. I am getting a few strands with shedding. This is 22 inches. So far, no tangling whatsoever. Again, this is how long it is, stretched out, and then with the curls. I really like this hair. This is a very cute wig, like I said. If you're a beginner, this is what I would advertise this to beginners, because it already comes pre-plucked. It already comes with bleach knots, and basically, you know, all the hard work is done. So, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.